This is a remote. This one is for controlling TV, but it has all the buttons. When you press some buttons, like this button, it shows that the TV to control it. And if you press any button here, it will control the TV. And this is the voice one. If you want to make it louder, you make it louder. And it's too noisy, you press the minus button. And this is the channel. If you want to put more channels, press this one. If you make the channels, if you see that all the channels are boring, then you press the minus button. And this is the how to go to the internet or any apps in the TV. And this is the no voice, because this one clears all the voice. No voice, no noisy, just this. But this one is not only the same as this one. This one is can make the sound 0, but this one make the sound 3, 2, 1, 0, like that. So that's how a remote works. And this is the one that repairs the TV to the internet. So this is the numbers what channel you want. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 15. Like that. So that's how a remote works. Like that. Goodbye. Please press like, subscribe to my YouTube channel.